Friday, January 20th. Charlie is 8.5 months old, and he is standing up on everything. Hi! Crawling. He likes to bend down and touch the ground, although I don't know if he's going to slip. Careful! He said he's stuck. Hi! What are you doing? Oh, careful. I think these sleepers are... Why don't you show her how you crawl? Go over there. Hi. Hi. Of course he's going for the outlets. No, no, no. Why do you always want to touch stuff you shouldn't, huh?